Now, if you've ever been boating or fishing on one of our ponds or rivers around here, chances are you've seen and heard today's bird, the belted kingfisher. Now, many birds in our area seem to be shy and they stay hidden in the cover of the trees and shrubs, but not the belted kingfisher. This is a loud, bold bird. It's bigger than a robin with that big, crested, shaggy head of his, and it's got a stocky bill that can really do damage. They can often be seen perched on a branch or a snag along a river or pond bank. They're scanning the water below them. They dive head first after any unsuspecting fish they see. I think they're really a handsome bird. That shaggy blue head, the blue wings and back, they have that white collar around their neck and white belly and sides. Now, one unique thing about the belted kingfisher is that the females are more brightly colored than the males. That's not usually the case in many other birds. Now, this is a female. It has that rusty belt across her chest. Pretty. Now, chances are you'll hear this bird before you see it. If disturbed, they leave their perch and fly along the bank with a loud, rattling cry. Let's listen to it. Now, that's the unmistakable sound of a very angry belted kingfisher. Now, kingfishers, they nest in burrows that they dig into dirt or sandy banks along the rivers and ponds where they fish for food. They'll even use rock crevices, and I found them nesting in old woodpecker holes. At Valentine Farm, we often see these birds patrolling up and down the creek that runs through the property. Now, we haven't found where they nest yet, but on your next visit, watch, better yet listen, for that loud, rattling cry. It'll be the belted kingfisher. Thanks for watching, and safe birding.